Assalamualaikum viewers. My name is Ishan. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channels. Nowadays my topic is banking application development. Abstract in recent years, the banking and financial sector has become one of the most vibrant sector in the Indian economy. This sector presents huge business investments in the area of information and technology. Banking software solutions. This IT sector first involved as the banking software solution provider, and this way the IT companies enter in the banking sector. They include all banking services in just one software, so they reduce paperwork up to 68%. Banking software solutions. First, they implemented basic things like account opening form as per various type of counting, balance, addition or deduction as per transactions of the customer. Trend revelation to improve the customer services and provide efficient banking application development has increased the use of IT. This development is not to focus on only money transactions, but the self-service platforms are extended to the silent trend revelations, so they launch e-banking or net banking facility where the banking transactions are carried out using automated process and electronic devices such as ATM, internet card payment, fax machine, and telephones. Trend revelations. Trend user interested card, enter password, ATM display, main screen, request password, request kind, verify account OK, verify card with bank transaction, success bank consumer. Trend revelation. This advanced facility makes money transaction easy and comfortable for any bank's customers. No need to stand in case for money withdrawal. So the above all facilities are responsible due to the development of it in banking sector. Thank you so much.